What is going on today, YouTube? Hope you guys all had a great day. Today, I'm going to talk to you why you should never hold through earnings if you are a day trader or swing trader. Now, if you're new to my channel, I make daily stock market videos just trying to teach you guys stuff I wish I knew when I first started. If you like this kind of content, leave a like on the video, subscribe to my channel, comment if you have any questions, and share to someone else. So for this video, we're going to look at Apple. As you can see down here their earnings. They had a 1 right there, 189 estimate, 207 actual. So they beat their estimate. And over here, 383 estimate, 389 actual. So again, they beat their estimate. Why this is so important to look at though? Okay, they beat their estimate here, stock really shot up because it seems like it's because of earnings. They still beat their estimate here and the stock fell even though their earnings are way up compared to the last time they reported earnings. So right here, usually the stock market has the price counted in. They already know what anticipated earnings are. And since they already know what earnings are, they have the price already calculated for it. So like here, they messed up. And the price was too cheap for what the company was actually at. So it really shot up. And then over here, the company it was overpriced. For their earnings, this stock was overpriced. And that's why it fell. And that's just what you have to watch out for. It happens more times than not. It's very hard. I mean, you can look at any companies. It's really going to vary what the company does based on its earnings. But that's just because the stock price sometimes already accounts for them because the stock market, like people that make the prices in the stock market, they're not dumb people. They know what they're doing and they pretty much have an idea of what every company's worth even before their earnings report comes out. So it's just very hard. It's a very hard thing to do. And if you're just day trading or swing trading, I would not recommend holding through earnings because it can really change a stock price. Look here. Snapchat, for instance, reported their estimated was negative 14 cents and negative 13 was their actual. And this sent this stock price going crazy. But like back here, same thing happened. Estimated actual, it was about the same, but it really dropped. So these sometimes have drastic moves when their earnings come out. I mean, that's an 18% loss if you had a position there. And then here, it's a 40-50% gain in a day. All these candles are just a day. It's risky, guys. I mean, you can do it, you can try to guess it, but you just have no idea what the stock's going to do. And that's why it's the most risky time to be in a stock, especially if you're just day trading or swing trading. I mean, if you're investing for in the stock for the long term and you're just putting your money in and you think this company's going to increase value, it doesn't apply for that. But if you're just a trader, you don't want to hold through earnings because you have no idea what's going to happen. And don't just be like, "Oh, I think earnings are going to be good, so I'm going to get in." No, because that's just not a good. It's not a good philosophy. That's not what you think is going to be good. Could be drastically different. Even I think that happened to Tesla not long ago. Yeah, their earnings. I mean, they were just everyone thought they were going to report good earnings, and they still didn't. And the stock price just tanked. You can tell though. Look at all these companies I showed. They have huge moves when earnings come out. I mean, it's a lot different than like their day-to-day moves. Like that's a big difference in one day. 6%, 8%, when the stock usually only moves. I mean, it could move 6-8% in a day, but you could have some major losses or gains through earnings. So guys, if you liked the video, leave a like on it. Comment if you had any questions and share it to someone else that could use it. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow.